In the vast sea of technology, there's a beacon of financial revolution, Bitcoin. Born in 2009, Bitcoin is the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, a form digital money. It's decentralized, meaning no central authority, like a bank or government, controls it. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. It's like a giant global spreadsheet that everyone can see but no one can alter. But how do you get Bitcoins? You can buy them, receive them as payment, or mine them. Mining is the process of solving complex mathematical puzzles to add new transactions to the blockchain. Intrigued? There's a catch. Bitcoin's value is highly volatile and investing in it carries risks. So do your homework before diving in. Remember, Bitcoin is not just a currency. It's a technological breakthrough that could redefine the future of finance. And there you have it. Bitcoin, demystified in just 1 minute. Tune in next time for more bite-sized knowledge.